Hi mga garden, so this is Hardinerang Nanay once again. Maptungjin ako to yun amin. So good morning mga garden. So welcome to our home, welcome to our garden. So we believe that all plants grow with love. So for today we are going to talk about activated charcoal. How do we do it? Okay, there is the one activated charcoal that is edible. There is also the activated charcoal that is for the beauty products. Okay, but since we are talking about gardening, home gardening, we are going to talk about, of course, agriculture activated charcoal. So because of its porosity, you know, it has holes in it, so it absorbs organic matter when we activate this one. So how do we do it? I'm going to show you how I activate my charcoal. Actually, charcoal is very helpful for us home gardeners. Charcoals are added in our soil mix to make our soil mix healthier, because this one, it absorbs it absorbs impurities, okay, bad bacteria, like those, and also it helps so that the control of fungi or molds in the soil, it helps. Okay, that is why this charcoal is being advised to be used in the terrariums, because that is the use of it, to clean the soil. But then we are going to maximize our charcoal by activating it before we are going to use it, or before we are going to add in our soil mix. So I'm going to show you how I charge my charcoal, or how I activate my charcoal agriculturally. Okay, so before we proceed, like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for more home gardening tips and vlogs from Hardinerang Nanay. So because of the porosity, you see it has holes in it, so actually it absorbs the organic matter, and then after that process, actually we are going to add it in the compost. See? Yeah, that is what I do. I add it in my compost, and over time I harvest my compost with this. Some gardeners also just soak this in the organic matter, just like the compost tea, cow manure compost tea. They soak this one, and then after how many weeks, it absorbs already the organic matter, the cow manure compost tea, so it can be used already. Okay, the purpose of that is that, or let's say the advantage of using activated charcoal in our soil mix is that the charcoal releases the organic matter to the soil very slowly over time. So what is the advantage of that? It prevents over fertilization of your plants. And then activated charcoal also keeps your soil fertile over longer period of time. So mga garden, we are going to start activating our charcoal. So I have these materials here, and then as we go along, you will see how or what are the materials that I use. So the first thing that I do is that I roast first my eggshells. It is advisable for you to roast first your eggshells so that the bad bacteria, the salmonella, will die. So unless you have boiled it, it's okay. Powderize it and use it, or add it in your compost or soil mix. Alright, so if you want to powderize this one, it's better, okay, for faster decomposition. And then we have here the goat manure that I harvested from our goat here. It's Lope, the calming goat. And here I have here the seaweed. This is a leftover from our lato salad. And then also we have, of course, the roasted eggshells. Powderize that one and we are good to go. Okay. And then we have here the molasses. Okay, molasses, the formula is that 1 tablespoon of molasses is to 1 liter of water. If you don't have molasses, you can use brown sugar. And then also we have here the banana peelings and the banana trunk chop. This is from our, feeder for our animals. And we have the composted cow manure and we have the charcoal. Look at the charcoal. It has pores. See? Look at that. It has pores, so we're going to take advantage of it. We're going to let it absorb all the organic matter for our plants to be healthy. Okay, actually, you can just mix and mix and mix this once all together in a container. But we place first, of course, the charcoal on the bottom. Okay, so that it will absorb all the organic matter. We're going to wait for 3 months since there are fresh materials that we use. We have the bananas and then we have the seaweed, and the fresh harvested goat manure. So we're going to wait for actually 3 months. Okay, so we just have to mix and mix. If you have more materials, you can use a bigger container. So I'm just using container enough for this one. So we just have to mix this one. Actually, it's very easy to do. So I watered it already with the molasses. The molasses will be the food for the organic or the microorganisms. Later on, we will harvest this one and then a lot of earthworms will be found actually. The earthworms indication of a good compost actually. And also the presence of the earthworm is good because vermicast are added already. So speaking of vermicast, if you don't have the cow manure or the goat manure, actually you can use the vermicast for or used to be activating your charcoal. Okay, so there we go. Water it again with the molasses. Okay. So after 3 months, we are going to harvest our activated charcoal. So after 3 months, here it is now. It's ready to be harvested. So the eggshells, of course, should be, powderized before we add in the compost because, it has longer, or it takes longer time to compost this one. So, but anyway, we can use that one. So, how do we know that the compost is good already or ready to be harvested? You smell it. Wow. Wait, I will smell it and show you that I really smell it. So, let's smell it. Let us smell it. Okay, smells good. Okay, the smell of it should be, smells like earth. Like that. It smells like really soil. It's not a smell of a fresh vegetable or fresh poop. Fresh poop. Actually, to have a healthy compost, you have to keep on making it moist or water it actually with the molasses and water mixture. So I have here the earthworms. Okay, the earthworms, they don't want the fresh compost actually, so they don't want it. So this one, indication of a healthy compost is the presence of earthworm already there. Okay, so this is good. This is ready to be harvested actually. So that's it though. Actually, we can harvest only that activated charcoal, and then later on we can also add a new set of charcoal. Okay, so that's it, because I want to have these earthworms enjoying their stay, and then they are more producing vermicast. So it's another source of organic matter is their poo-poo. So okay, we are going to harvest the activated charcoal already. This is well composted already. I cannot see the banana trunks already and the seaweeds, so it's all soil. And then another indication is that of a healthy compost is that you can actually easily easily break the soil. Okay, actually we can use this as a soil mix to our to our begonias and our other plants. But then I want to maximize the presence of the earthworms here, so that you know, it will be added with, you know, vermicast like that, and then the earthworms also will have the chance to multiply here. Okay, yeah, I'm taking care of this one. What's this? Earthworms. See, the earthworms are very happy. They have good food. Okay. There. Okay, we're gonna add some charcoal already, a new batch of it. Okay, wait, I'm gonna prepare first the molasses water solution. Here, I have harvested this one. I'm going to use this for my soil mix for my begonias. So we're going to start adding new batch or new sets of charcoal there. So we are going to place them under. That's it. We can put as many as we can. So that's it. Actually, if you have a fish liver or the fish what's that, gills, or the one that you use to wash the fish, actually you can add it here. Okay, so some farmers also add the small fish, the fresh sardine fish, or here in the Philippines we can use galunggong, or the one that we use to wash the fish. You can add that, or you can add seaweed also. But then as for this new batch, we are not going to use fresh things to decompose here, so we are going to use already the composted ones, so that we can harvest this one after 2 weeks or 1 month like that. So okay, I think we will add more organic matter. So actually I have here bat guano. So this is already well composted, so we can add there. There we go. And then also we can add some composted cow manure. Wait, here we can add that one. See, it's complete already. We can add also some soil on top. Okay, and then we are done. But we are going also to water it with the molasses water mixture. We are going to water it, and then of course, oh, it's too much. And then at least you water it once a week. Also, the molasses is already a food for the microorganisms and also for the earthworms. Okay, so we place it in a bright shade area. Okay, not in a dim area, only in the bright shade. Actually, you can put it outdoor, but then I'm afraid that it will rain, so it's better here. We're gonna cover it with this one. Actually, you can use the, what's that, the rice sack, the brown one, the jute sack. You can use that one. Okay, or the burlap. Okay. So that's it mga garden. So thank you for watching HNTV Baguio. So see you in the next video. Tinog kabasan mo and God bless us all. Thank you.